Sometimes in life, we do the things the wrong way and we never realize it. And you will never come to know about it until and unless somebody else tells you about it. Well, screw that somebody, because today I am here to tell you about that. Hello, what's up everybody? This is your boy Kunal, and today we are not going to talk about the stuff you should be doing. But actually today we'll be talking about the stuff you should not be doing. When it comes to style, there are some common mistakes that most of us guys make without even realizing it. And that is why in this video we are going to talk about the 7 most common fashion mistakes that are killing, absolutely ruining your style. Sounds good? Let's find out. Number 1, having the wrong fit. Is that Zara? Well, I don't care if it doesn't fit you well. No matter how expensive clothes you buy, you won't look good if they don't fit you well. And this time we are not only talking about the baggy clothes, even the skinny clothes are killing your style. There's no issue with slightly oversized clothing, but the problem is when you dress like one of these. Usually skinny guys prefer oversized clothing because they're conscious about their physique. But I must tell you that oversized clothing is not a solution. You need to find the right fit for your body type. It is always about finding the right fit no matter what your body type is. Number 2, overdressing for an event. Now you have the clothes which fit you perfectly. So you wear your best shirt and put on the dark blue denim jean with it, and you put on a leather jacket over it, and you pair it with badass Chelsea boots. You look like $1 million bucks. But then you walk into the room and notice that you are the best dressed man in the room. In fact, you are the only guy dressed sharp. Which leads to the question, are you overdressed? This is one of the biggest fashion mistakes that guys make. And that is why before dressing, you need to know the situation first. See, it is always good to look your best, but you need to understand the difference between dressing good and overdressing. The key to avoid being overdressed and look good at the same time is to wear flexible outfits. Kind of outfits which work great in different kind of events. Number 3, wearing the wrong jeans. Jeans is such a great piece of clothing in men's fashion, and probably it is the most versatile piece also. And when it comes to jeans, there are 2 major mistakes that most guys make. Number 1, wearing super distressed denims. The normal jeans were doing great, and then the distressed jeans came in. And they were also not that bad. In fact, they looked pretty good with some kind of outfits. And then the super distressed denim came in, and they were horrible. There is absolutely no such outfit I would consider wearing them. And in fact, from my opinion, they are the worst piece of clothing to have in men's fashion. And the other mistake is wearing the skin tight denims. Another horrible piece of clothing. I have absolutely no idea how this came into fashion, but what I know is that this is not meant to be here anymore. Moving forward, mistake number 4, copying your friends. You know what is the topic of today's video? How you are killing your style. And if you're copying your friends, you don't even have your own style. And tell me, what is the point of copying your friends when you have your brother to tell you the right thing? See, the point is always try to learn something good from somebody, but never try to copy them. And if you genuinely want to learn something good, go subscribe to O2O Outstanding. Tip number 5, not wearing boots. See, here's the deal. Boots in fashion are like salt in food. Okay, I'll show you 2 pictures. You tell me which guy has the better style. Number 1 or number 2? Of course it is the number 2, because when you wear boots, you stand out. Even if you're wearing the best fitted clothes, your outfit is incomplete without them. Boots are very versatile. They can work with multiple outfits. But you need to know that one shoe cannot work with every outfit. And this is the 6th mistake which is killing your style. Wearing the wrong shoes with your outfit. We have talked about this one in the previous video also. For once, you can go wrong with the fit, but you can never go wrong when it comes to footwear. You need to know that which kind of shoe is meant for which kind of outfit. Like, you cannot wear boots with athleisure outfits, or you cannot wear a sports shoe with formal outfits. You need to pair the right shoe with the right outfit. And the last mistake which is killing your style is bad body posture. There is absolutely no piece of clothing in which you can look good if your body posture is like this. This is absolutely unhealthy. From back and neck pain to blood circulation and respiration, your body posture can have a major impact on your everyday life. And these postural mistakes are so common that most of us don't even notice them. Maintaining a good posture is vital for your overall health. It is as important as working out or a healthy diet. So that's all for today's video from my side. These were the 7 style mistakes that are absolutely killing your style. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, drop us a like down below. Thanks for watching. See you next week.